Hi everyone. I wanted to just share a testimony. Sorry I'm so winded. Just did a little exercise. All right, so the other day we went to the supermarket, and in coming from the supermarket, I specifically remember where I put my key, the key for our place. We were supposed to now, some hours had passed, and then we were supposed to now go somewhere. Couldn't find the key. Shion and Sky were in the car. I am there, and I'm just like, can't find this key. So I started to get stressed, like, oh my gosh, I left the key outside, supposed to drop it outside, and somebody took it up or whatever. Like, I started to get stressed about that. And legit, almost 24 hours passed before we could find this key again. And in the night though, I remember being there in the night and praying to God and being like, seriously, where's the key? And it came very clear to me that if we had gone on the road, something would have happened. So he prevented us from finding the key. And I was like, let me just relax, have patience in this situation, and just chill. But how many times? So first of all, I went for my run the next morning. When I came back, Shion said he found the key in the refrigerator. So apparently Sky had taken up the key and gone into the refrigerator with it, because I saw her in there. The day previous, right? And I'm just like, you're so awesome, God, because Shion was super tired, even though we wanted to go on the road. He slept. So after we couldn't find the key at about 2-3 o'clock. He slept from that time all the way till 12 a.m. That's how tired he was, because he had just come off nights. So, I'm like, God, you know best all the time. Why is it that we doubt so much? And I'm just saying, how many times he works in mysterious ways, but we just don't trust him. We just don't say, you know what? I can't find this key. You know why I can't find this key. How many times we've lost things, not just a key, we've lost jobs, we've lost loved ones, we've lost just things, and there's a principle that everything that happens is for either his glory or for our good. And I wish in the moment I could have told myself that, but I didn't. That's the truth. I didn't tell myself that. I was stressed out. I was binge eating to it was just a horrible day. I just fell off my eating habits, just was stressed about it, and I was just like, nah, so stressed. Anyways, so I just leave with you, whatever situation is happening in your life, just trust God to know that it's working out for your best. Sometimes we think it would work out for the best here on earth, but sometimes, to be honest, it's working out for our best spiritually, to make us better being spiritually, so that we'll make it to heaven. Because the truth of the matter is, everything here on earth is only temporary and will pass, right? But everything that we're supposed to be working towards is eternal, things of above. So yeah, be encouraged. Try your best, whatever situation you are in, to be content, to trust God. That's it, to trust him and know it will work out. It's not having just mere motivational speech or whatever. It's literally trusting God, having godly trust, and just to be like, yeah, no matter what, no matter how I can't see the end of the tunnel, I can't see it, but I know you're going to bring me through. And you know what should help us is looking back at the things that he has done in the past, looking back at how he has carried us in the past in other sticky situations, and knowing for a fact he'll do it again. Have a good day. Be encouraged.